back to the channel. I hope everyone's in the best of health and enjoying the day. Welcome if you are brand new. My name is Simran and I like to make videos on various different topics, whether it be fashion, travel, haul, review, luxury, unboxings, reviews. And today I'm just on a roll because I've got two videos for you guys that I will be planning to film. The first one's going to be my unboxing of my new microphone, which I'm not using right now, but I will be in the video. And the second one will be just revealing another handbag as well. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video, right? Today's video is kind of like, as you probably gathered from the title, is actually an unboxing of my new microphone. It's something that someone else actually said to me that would actually help the quality of my actual videos, and I figured, you know what, okay, let me see what I can do. So I actually just ended up ordering a microphone after reading all the different reviews from Amazon, and that's what I'm going to unbox with you guys. All right, so we had the microphone. So I ordered it from Amazon, as I've already said. It came in a box like this. It's called the wireless LAVALIER microphone, I think it's called. What makes it special is it's meant to be wireless. So I meant to just attach this. I can attach it to my mobile phone, and it's meant to make my audio sound a lot better. In the box, we received this. So you've got literally two microphones. You've got the middle part that you're actually meant to stick onto the your actual mobile. So this part is actually meant to be, can we see that? Yeah, it's meant to be connected to your actual mobile itself, which I will be demonstrating. Next, you've got a microphone here and also a microphone here as well. You've also got a charging cable that comes with the box too, like so. So in the box you receive your cable, which I haven't actually charged my mobile yet. I mean, sorry, not my mobile. I've not charged the actual microphones yet. I'm hoping they're charged, otherwise we're gonna have a technical hitch in this video. So that's your cable to charge. This is your microphones. And what I figured I'll do is, like, you know, I figured, like, since I've unboxed this with you guys, what I'll do is I'm actually going to attach it to this video itself. And then you guys can tell me in the comment box whether you can actually see a difference or hear a difference. So what I'm going to do for you guys in this video is I'm actually going to use the microphone. So I've recorded all this part of the video without an actual microphone. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to now attach this to my phone and use the microphone, and then I want you guys to help me to see if you can actually see if there's a better audio quality to this video. So without further ado, let's do that. So in this part, I actually forgot to turn the microphone on, so please do make sure that you actually press the button on the mic to make sure you actually turn the microphone on. So then next, what you're meant to do is, once you've inserted the smaller piece into your phone, there's an actual button, and can you see there's like a green button there? And that means the actual microphone is on. So I'm using only one microphone at this stage, bear with me. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually switched both of the microphones on. So I want you guys to tell me whether you can see a difference in the audio. I still need to figure out like how I'm actually going to place this, where I'm going to place this, because I've not done that part yet. This is like an actual raw unboxing of this microphone and actual usage, because I've not had chance to actually get around to using it. But here we are. So that was my mini unboxing of my new microphone. I am actually filming another video as far as this mic just right after this video. What I will do for you guys is I will actually link this microphone underneath in the description box, because I'm fairly impressed. Like, it was literally so easy to use. Like, there was no like connecting. You just literally buy the microphone, insert the piece into the phone, switch the button on, and then your microphone's ready, which was good. I haven't gotten around to charging it, but it'll probably just be like the red therapy mask, so it should be easy to do. So yeah, that was my mini little microphone unboxing with you guys. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and I look forward to seeing you literally in my next video. Bye.